Oh crap. Oh. How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. It's been really tough. Okay, it's been really tough to fish for anything, honestly. I mean, there's fish around, but to me it's kind of like, what do I go for? What's next? Where do I go? If anything, it's where do I go? I just can't make up my mind. I think I just need to chillax a little bit and fish something more simple. And maybe the creativity will kick in and take me to places that I should be going, right? But as of right now, it's tough out. Like, the water level is low by the areas that I do want to fish, that I do want to commit to. Spillways, river system that feeds into lakes, you know, stuff like that. Man, I know you guys enjoy these short fishing river system videos, but yeah, we'll go from there. So yeah, here I am walking to, oh man, never mind, it is disgusting. Wow, that's gross. It's absolutely mudded, like milked. I don't know, let's go try it out. Maybe there is fish. So we have a situation here. It is very dirty. It looked like they just built this through, because over there is clear. I'm just gonna toss this in there and see what happens. I could be wrong, it might still be in here. I mean, I don't think I don't think there's anything in here. Oh, the smoke is dirty. Oh, I got a bite. She got a bite. Oh, dude, I actually got some. Nice. Oh my god, this is a freaking giant, dude. Whoa. It's a giant creek chub. Do you have like weird warts on you? No? Okay. Dude, wow, that's crazy. Look at that. On a freaking gulp. Look at that giant slithery fish in this dirty water. Alright, man, see ya. That's cool. Oh, got a bite. Got him. Another giant creek chub. Dang, that's cool. And they go nuts. Dude. Not as big as the other one, but still, we're catching fish. Feels good. I think I can make this jump. I don't know. Yeah, I'll make this jump. There we go. So at least now I know my limits. Should've brought my, oh jeez, my boots. Oh crap, oh, I'm in the water. Oh man, I thought those were rocks. My shoe is wet. Dang it. Well, it is what it is now. Too late. Just gotta keep going. I thought that was a rock. I'm gonna mutate now and grow a third leg. Let's see if there's anything here. I have to take off my socks because my socks is what's keeping my feet soaked. Man. Oh, dude, top water. Okay. And you gotta go down there. Bro. There we go. Much better. Look at him go. So acrobatic. Sheesh. So fun ultralight rod. Oh, okay. As soon as it landed. Jeez. Look at him go. Look at him. Absolute craziness. They just fight so hard. They hit hard. Imagine they were like 5-pounders. It'd be insane. Let's try it again. There we go. Look at him. Jeez. It's another nice size creek chub. Let me show you guys the pattern on them. Look at that black stripe right there. There are some that have like the thorn heads. I don't know if we're gonna run into them. They're usually during the spawn season, but we're gonna try. See ya. Look at this, guys. For real, multi-day right here. I'm walking around with the one shoe. Might as well just take it off. But it is looking a lot better here. I can see the bottom. So, yep, this is me, guys. Oh man, I could definitely get around a lot better. It's just that I have stuff on me that I gotta be careful not to drop or break, you know. So if I didn't have the stuff that I had on me, oh yeah, I'd be flying through these rocks like a ninja, dude. I should rinse my shoes. I want to rinse my shoes. This stank. Even though this is dirty too, but it's better than that mud stuff on it. Oh man, goodbye Adidas. It'll still be okay, it's just, dang. It looks nice down here. Dude, I was not recording, but I just caught an absolute giant. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude. Oh my god. Dude, I was not recording. And I caught an absolute giant creek chub. Wow. Oh no, and I dropped him. Damn. Oh man. I feel bad because I dropped them. They're so slimy. Yeah, if you guys didn't know, they're very slimy. They're very strong too. There we go. It's not that big, but still a very good creek chub. Much appreciated. They're loaded over here. Nice. Oh, it's a shiner. Let's go. I think it's a shiner or some kind of, oh, not a shiner. It's like some sort of creek chub. Let's just call it a shining creek chub. There's the difference. It's a lot taller. Let's see, buddy. You gotta keep going. I think all the big ones know. Oh, oh. There we go. That's a nice one. Oh my gosh. There's another nice one. Dude. Yeah. Look at this guy. Not that big, but better than the little ones I gotta weed through. That's a nice freaking chunk right there. There we go. That's a nice one. Oh my gosh. Dude, look at him go. He's crazy. Dang, it's so pretty. That's another nice chunk right there. Look at that. The color on that thing. Wow. So cool. They are just so mean, man. Oh, dude. Oh my gosh, stay on, stay on. Stay on. What is this? Oh, dude. Don't do that, please. Please don't do that. Dude, oh my gosh. What the heck? It's so massive. Oh, relax, relax. Oh my God. Look at that thing. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. That is a big old creek chub. See it, buddy. My battery lasted so long was because I didn't even have my mic plugged in. I mean, regardless, I think you can still hear me, but still. Alright, so now we got the mic in. Totally forgot about the mic. But now it's in, so we're good. The sun is so brutal right now, it's like reflecting right into my face. We're gonna try right here. There's like a pocket right here. Let's try to spot out.
Oh, there we go. Oh, he came out of the rocks. It's not that big, but he took it. There we go. Haha! You were hiding in the shadows. Yeah, that's what I gotta go through, guys. Oh. If this was during the prime season, my allergy would have been freaking going nuts right now. The good thing they're all dead. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna make my closure here because it's just so far of a walk to see you guys back at the car. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I sure did. Had a ton of fun. Caught a ton of creek chub. They get pretty big, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this nasty sewage fishing video. I don't know what else to call it. So that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.